Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a really handy skill for anyone working with data in Google Sheets, how to quickly find and replace blank cells with a specific value. This is one of those things that can save you a ton of time and help keep your spreadsheets nice and tidy. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to handle those annoying empty spots in your sheets, whether you want to fill them for calculations, data analysis, or just get things looking cleaner. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the most basic way people deal with blank cells, which is simply selecting an empty cell and pressing delete on your keyboard. This method is straightforward, and in some cases, all you need to do is click the blank cell you want to clear out and hit the delete or backspace key. Just like that, the cell is emptied if it wasn't already. But there's a catch. This method only works for one cell at a time. If you have a big sheet filled with empty spots, going cell by cell can be slow and frankly a little painful. Don't worry if this is how you've been doing it, we've all been there. The great news is that Google Sheets has a much more powerful tool for handling blanks at scale. For that, we're going to use the Find and Replace feature. This is super useful when you want to replace a bunch of cells all at once. To open it, just press Ctrl plus H on your keyboard. That's Control and the letter H if you're on a Mac, it's Command plus Shift plus H. Alternatively, you can go up to the menu at the top, select Edit, and then choose Find and Replace. Once the pop-up appears, you'll see two key boxes, one labeled Find and one labeled Replace with. Now here where it gets interesting. Normally, you might think you have to put something into the Find box, like a specific word or number you want to get rid of. Let's say, for this example, the number 1 keeps popping up in places where you'd rather have a blank cell. All you need to do is type 1 into the Find box. In the Replace with box, you can simply leave it blank. This tells Google Sheets to look for every cell that contains a 1 and swap it out for nothing, basically clearing it. It's just like telling Sheets, hey, anytime you see a 1, just erase it for me. Pretty slick, right? Remember, if you're looking to fill blank cells with a value instead, like replacing all empty cells with 0 or NA, you would leave the Find box empty and put your desired value in the Replace with box. But for our case, replacing a specific value with a blank, just leave Replace with empty. Next, click Replace All. Google Sheets will zip through your data and change every matching cell just like that. This might take a moment if you have a really large spreadsheet, so don't worry if you see a little spinning circle for a few seconds. And just like that, you're done. You've cleaned up your sheet, saved yourself from a lot of repetitive clicks, and probably made your data a whole lot easier to work with. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into any hiccups, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips just like this. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.